Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little crafty haul. I ended up going to Michael's because I had seen Ara, the paper treasury, post a video yesterday saying that they had some home decor for 80% off, and she picked up some really cute racks that I wanted to see if my store had, but I had no luck. They didn't have any. So of course, just being there caused me to buy this bag of stuff that I don't really need but yet still bought. So I want to show you what I picked up, but before we get into that, let me show you what I got in the mail from Amazon. I ended up buying another one of these Sizzix decorative strip cutting pads because I use these for my rosette dies from Tim Holtz. So I picked up two new ones of those, super cheap. They're really good. I'll have the link down below if you guys want to pick some up, but this is perfect because they're skinny and it just fits the die super perfect. Which brings me into the next item, which is the rosette die. You guys, I could have sworn I had this die, which I think I did, but I can't find it in my stash. And I had repurchased it again, and then it never got here. So I ended up getting a refund, and I was just so over it. Like, you never arrive, and now I'm back here again. So it's been like forever to get this die. So I decided to purchase it because I have the Prime to give it one more shot, and it got here today. So here's the die that took like forever to arrive to me. And I'm sure that now that I have it, I'm going to find the other one because that's just the way my life goes. And then I picked up this cute little mug from Michael's. And these were out last year and I missed out on it, and I remember seeing it, and when I went to go get it, there was none. Or I think there was one, but it was broken. It was like missing this part, the little ears. So now I got it, and they were 50% off. So I paid $3, $3.50 for it. How cute is she? I also got my first set of Christmas pajamas. So you guys, I'm going to be super cozy tonight crafting. I'm going to have my coffee. I'm going to have my PJs on. I'll do like a little Insta snap so you guys can see my PJs. They're so cute. And then you guys, before I get into this bag of goodies, I want to show you guys these super cute felties that I got from Todo Papel on Instagram. Her felties are adorable, you guys. How cute are these? I have some more coming, so I am excited. I can't even talk. I am so excited for the ones that I got. So I got some more. These are so cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them because I have one of each and I might have to hoard them. But definitely go check her out. I'm going to link her down below. I think she's going to be restocking. So definitely be on the lookout for these because they're so cute. She sold out, you guys, and I don't blame her. They're adorable. So let me show you guys what I picked up. Christmas-wise, Creatology, I think that's how you pronounce it, has their little stickers 50% off. So we got the, what do you call these, like the little soldiers. So I got a pack of these, the little gingerbread girl and boy with the little googly eyes. And then I got some little peppermint candies, the little candy canes, super cute. And then my wife loves like these kind of stickers. She puts stickers like on her job locker. So she picked up the dog and the cat, and I got one of each. Plus she loves all kinds of stickers. She collects a whole bunch. Oh, and I also got the reindeers. Super cute. And then I found this. This is Halloween Recollections, and it's a paper mache window box book. But it doesn't have to be Halloween, you guys. I can totally do something with this for Christmas, and that's what I'll do. So you guys get excited because you know what that means. This is going to be something that's going to be recreated. Well, not recreated, altered in my series. I am so excited, and I cannot wait to do something amazing with this and give it away in my Christmas Jingle Wheels series. If I look distracted, it's because I just got a text message that I have no clue who it's from. But it says, I'm sorry. So I'm like, what? Who are you? So look at this. How cute is this? Well, not cute. You see, I'm so distracted, you guys. I found this Tim Holtz Halloween. What is this? 27 pieces, layers, and baseboard frames. And it was, it doesn't show the regular price, but it was clearance style to $3. Oh, I'm not gonna take it out. And these are all the pieces. So you get a bunch of like chipboard frames, and then you get ephemera pieces. But the ephemera is not like flimsy, you guys. It's like really sturdy. I'm all over the place in this video. Story of my life. See this? So cool. I'm so happy that I've been finding like all this Tim Holtz stuff, because I usually have no luck after Halloween finding any of this stuff. So I did find this. I found these. How cool do these look? These are trinket tins, and they're like those vintagey little boxes that you can like put some stuff in and send in Happy Mail. Is that not cool? Like those little medicine cases. I love the distressed look. And it was like $1.20. Such a good deal. So I picked that up. And then I found another one of these. So I picked it up because this is good to send some sequins in Happy Mail. And then I found... the wrapper broke. Let me put a little piece of tape on this so it doesn't fall out. I picked this one up. I didn't have this one, because you guys know I picked up a bunch on my last haul. So I got this one. I don't know if I did. I'll have this one for gifts, but how cute. It's got the skull head and the little poison bottle and the little stamps. And that was like $2. Then I found this ink set. So you get the orange, the green, the purple, and the black. This was also $1.20. So of course I had to pick it up. And then I saw this one, you guys. I didn't see this the last time I was there, but it's the llama ones, like the Halloween llama. Look how cute. And for $2, super cute. And then lastly, I stopped at Walmart because I always missed their little ephemera packs, and I picked up their Christmas ones. So I got the snowflake one. And then let me show you guys how cute these are this year. So you need to get them, guys, because they're cute. That's the Santa with the glitter. And then that's the opposite side. Look at the snowman. And then look at the reindeer, which is my favorite. How cute is that? So you guys, for $1.24, go pick some up. I picked up 2 packs of these and 1 of the snowflakes, because I think I have some other packs of ephemera of snowflakes in my stash. Which reminds me, I just took out all my Christmas ephemera, my stash. And I wanted to know if you guys wanted to see what I had as far as ephemera for Christmas. So if you're interested in watching that, let me know down below and I will put that video together for you guys. But that is my quick little haul. I'm looking around, make sure I didn't forget anything. No, I did not. That is my quick little haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.